What's the reason that the patient is grinding or clenching? One can be an airway disorder. The patient is grinding and clenching their teeth at nighttime to arouse the brain so that the body will take its next breath. The patient doesn't necessarily wake up, but they, instead of staying in deep sleep, they go into light sleep to take the next breath. The other reason for grinding and clenching could be a response to stress. It's very important to get to the root cause. Putting a mouth guard in isn't solving this. Seek out understanding the source. Don't just treat the symptom.